In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a pole pirouette, okay? So it's similar to in ballet, how you do the spins there on your one leg, okay, on your toes. Well, it's similar with pole as well, okay? So this is how you would go into it, okay? Start off with your inside arm, which would more than likely be your right arm if you are right-handed, okay? Start off with your outside leg. Inside arm is grabbing the pole. Outside leg, which is your left leg, it takes the first step, okay? As you step, you want to go ahead and grab the pole, thumb facing down. So it's almost kind of like a reverse upside down grab sort of thing, okay? And then you'll understand why as you go into the spin. But you want to grab the pole, thumb facing down, okay? Pick up your inside leg, which is your right leg. Okay, bend it, pick it up. And then go ahead and twist your body out of that position. All right? By this time, your arm will end up in a sort of monster grip. Your right leg will end up in front of you, okay, in front of the left leg, and you'll be able to go ahead and complete the step with that leg, continuing to walk around the pole. Okay. Let's try one more time. You're going to step with your outside leg, grab the pole with your thumb facing down, pick up your inside leg, turn yourself out of that position and step. So if you've noticed, my inside leg, okay, once I step and pick up my inside leg, it doesn't stay necessarily in this one position when I turn, okay? What happens when I turn? It almost does a sort of like scoop, okay? So you pick up, when I turn, by then it's like this. By the time I get to the front, it's in front of me, okay? So this has to turn as you are doing the motion, okay? This inside leg has to turn. Let me explain one more time. Step with the outside leg, pick up the inside leg, okay? Grab the pole, turn. By then, this leg is facing this way. By the time I get to the front, it's in front of me. So it's almost kind of like it wraps around my left leg once I kind of step and lead with that leg, and then it becomes the leader then at this point for me to go ahead and walk around the pole. Okay, so I'll show you a little quicker so you can see what it's supposed to look like. Okay. And that is the pirouette, okay? So of course, if you want to do it on the opposite side, it's the same thing as well. You're going to step with your outside leg, pick up your inside leg, grab the pole, and turn. It's gonna be the same concept, okay? Now, the next one that I'm gonna show you is actually a pirouette as you are dragging your feet on the ground. So instead of picking up and turning, you're going to keep your feet on the ground, okay? So this is what it looks like. All right, so it's the same sort of setup as the first pirouette, only you're not going to pick your leg up, you're going to keep it dragging on the ground, okay? So you're gonna step with your outside leg, go ahead, get in the position to turn, okay? But you're gonna keep your legs in place. You're not gonna pick up the inside leg. You're going to then drag it in front of you and then continue to walk. Okay? So one more time. Step, inside leg, get into the turn, keep your legs in place until you reach the front, and then you drag your leg, okay? Another way that you can do this pirouette is by switching legs, okay, and dragging the other leg. So whereas you would start with your outside leg as you begin to go into the turn, this time you're going to start with your inside leg and you're going to drag your outside leg throughout the whole turn. So this is what I mean, okay? Step with the inside leg, grab the pole, and then drag all the way through, and then step with the outside leg, okay? Gonna do it one more time. Step with the inside leg, grab into position, drag the leg throughout the whole turn, and continue to walk with that leg first. So I'm gonna do it a little faster just so you can see what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so these are some turns that are really good to help you sort of transition from one move to the next, one trick to the next, okay, however you want to do it, okay? It's just something very sexy, very smooth to just kind of get you in the flow as you are working the pole here, okay?